Hello, so I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord and I'm the founder of Founder Tech Company. Yeah. So today I'm about to flip small account to big accounts. I'm about to flip $100 worth of Solana to thousands of dollars. Yeah. So I don't normally show my portfolio, but I think I have to in order to motivate people. Is that right thing? Yeah. I want to tell you that arbitrage, there are a lot of money in arbitrage. So this is the money I've been earning in arbitrage for the past months. Yeah. So I've already shown you how I do my arbitrage, how I flip a small account to bigger accounts and stuff. Yeah. And how I make my money. So I do it in the process way. So people say that, so how do you do this? How do you do that? That's why I say that you need a mentorship to do it. So let me close this one and let me open my either Binance or Bybit. I do either way. Yeah. So so let me open my Binance. So Binance, I'll go to P2P and I'll show you my orders. You can see that all, let me go all. You can see that I've been doing everything. I've been withdrawing everything. And before I start today's episode, let me show you one thing first. If I go to my trade and I go to my profile all, you can see that, you can see that, you can see that like my total trading volume, because I started working with Binance not long ago. Let's say let's Bybit. Let's say 1.5 year. 1.5 year. It's not even up to 1.5 year. So my total trading volume over here is 12,100. 12,100. So if I'm in Ghana and I'm earning 12,100 for one, so 12,100 times 12 is 145,200 Ghana cedis on this account. Yeah. And you can see something before I start with this episode. I want you to see something first before I will do it, because people are doubting that arbitrage doesn't work. That is why today I want to break up something for you to see. Yeah. So if I go here, you can see that I have 199 orders, and all the orders are sell. I don't buy, I sell. And if you know much about arbitrage, you know what I use my Bybit for. Let me close that one too. Go to my Binance. My Binance, so let me go to my P2P. I wanted to see something. And Binance, so I joined Binance, I think 1 year. 1 year. So let me go to my profile, and let me go to more. So on Binance too, you can see that I have my total volume for is 0.1503. So 0.15 I want something 031 995 I don't just brag. I just want to show you something so that you know that. So that's my total value, and I joined Binance 1 year. Yeah, 1 year. 1 year. So let me come here and convert the Bitcoin, the BTC to USDT, and let me paste it over here. So on Binance, I've made I've made 17,460. Let me copy it and let me come to my here. I want to do something. I don't normally, you know that I don't normally do these things. Yeah, plus 12,100. So for the past year now, I've made 29,560 dollars. $29,560. times Ghana cedis, 12 Ghana cedis, I've made 354,724.861. So it means that I've made 3.5 billion old currency. 3.5 billion old currency. 3.5 billion old currency for the past 1 year. So if I'm not profitable, where did I get this money? And let me go here. I want to show you something, right? And let me go to my, so that you see that it's my name. Let me go here. You can see that it's Crypto Lord. Yeah. So I don't want to brag. So if you want a good mentor, you have to get a mentor who's profitable and follow the orders. Like, we have a lot of ways to make money online. So when we are showing you, just pay attention. And it's not everything that I will be teaching here. So if you think that if I'm not showing you my secret doesn't mean that I'm profitable and stuff, that's your own problem. And if you don't go this store, they make money. I have source of incomes, and mentorship is part of my income. That's why I don't teach for free. So you can see that I've made 3.54 billion old currency. You see that thing? Yeah. So I don't cap. And currently in my black app, I have 14,0313, and I have a way of withdrawing my money. So even today, I withdraw $1,000, and that's what I'll be showing you the trick. I'll put the thing on the screen how I withdraw the $1,000. Yeah. So I don't care, bro. Yeah. So today I'm here to teach you how to flip $100 to $1,000. I just withdraw $1,000. I use Solana to do it, and that's what I'm about to teach you. So if I'm teaching you something, just pay attention and listen to it very carefully. Yeah. And one thing is that we all pay to learn. So I will not be showing you tricks over here. That's what people say, that if you are profitable, why do you charge for mentorship? Charlie, even Kojo Forex and Abi FX and Jeffrey, them all the charge. Not me kwabota. So you go to your market here. I've already told you that as a new trader, you need certain things first. And people focus is on the black market. Black market, if you're not much aware of crypto arbitrage, the black market, you can't use it. Yeah. And we also have a boat. The boat that will help you trade. It will show you that buy it from here and buy it from here. And we also have triangular arbitrage. If you have exchange to exchange arbitrage, we have a lot of strategies that works every day. You see that thing? Yeah. So if I come here, and my focus will be on the Solana. So Solana over here is 10.12. Yeah. That's 10.12. You can buy Solana over here and use the bot to search for a place where there is higher opportunity and set over there. And if you want to use the black market app, the black market app is $40. So if you chat me, you need it, it's $40. I don't give it out for free. No, it's $40. Yeah, and that one is for risk takers. Yeah, but if you don't know how to take risk, you have to follow these things. Yeah, so we have a lot of exchange platforms. So the bot will give you 72 exchange platforms that you buy and sell. So when you want to start arbitrage, you have to first of all check 4 things. The market volume is part of it, and the withdrawal address is also part of this. The rest I will not tell you. Yeah. So you buy your 100 worth of USD. Yeah. So if I open my black app, so over here, one soul is 190.5 0.85. So it means that every trade I'll make, I'll be in $20 profit on every $100 account trade. Yeah, because over here I got 0.587. So 0.587. So if I'm selling it over here, I'm getting 11.94. 11.94, and the withdrawal fee is 1.5. So it means that every trade I'm making $11 on it. So $11 on it, if I repeat it 10 times, I'm making money. You see that thing? If I repeat it 5 times, I'm making money. But black market comes with rules, and comes with like trading rules as well. But if you're using the unlimited ones, like the regulated platform ones, that one comes with no rules. You can trade as many as you want. You see, yeah. So because here is 1.7 and the black market is 1.9. So it means that if you are doing the swapping, you'll be getting what? You'll be earning profit on it. You see that thing? You'll be earning profit on it. So this is how you make your money. And one thing about arbitrage is that the higher money you have, the higher the profits. Because me, I trade with $1,000 per trade. So if I'm done, I'm done. So $1,000, I can trade like 5 times. If I'm done, I'm done. And I don't normally trade black market. You see that thing? Yeah. So you have to know ways, and you need a mentorship to do that. My mentorship is not for free. It's $100 for my mentorship. Yeah. And if you need face-to-face too, that one is $500 for face-to-face. Because me, I'm profitable and I don't joke with my time, bro. Yeah. So this is how I make my money using arbitrage. We have dollar arbitrage, crypto arbitrage, triangle arbitrage, exchange to exchange arbitrage. We have a lot of arbitrage strategy. Yeah. So I will show you everything, and you also apply your knowledge and you make money with it. Yeah. So this is how I flip $100 to $1,000 without any stress. I repeat the hustle and I cash out and I enjoy my life. I'm Crypto Lord, and this is how we do everything. Yeah. So if you need my mentorship, I have my Telegram link in the description and in the bio as well. Chat me, and if you chat me, don't say I should help you. I do business only. Yeah, and will do business with you. Thank you for watching me, and I'm Crypto Lord.